What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network. See our little friends behind us? This is our new fish tank, and this is part of our family. So we've only named a couple so far, but our good old friend Ruben from Bucks County Dent Repair, he's unfortunately moving out of Pennsylvania and going down to the beautiful Florida. I wish I was making that decision, but he was like, I need somebody to adopt my family, so we decided to do that. But these are our fish. You're gonna be seeing them, and you'll probably notice that we've painted a little bit, and we have some things going on. So over the last couple months, the whole front office, we're going through kind of a revamp. The products are gone. We decided to pull in and kind of make this more of a really chill vibe that is specific to all you guys and all of our clients. Open up the area, open up the space, and make it really cool. So obviously it's not done yet. You see the tape on the wall. Brett from Sketch My Ride is going ahead and doing some graphics on the wall that's all hand painted, which is pretty incredible to watch. But this is just the beginning, and we're gonna be basically revamping this whole front end. But since we've done that, we actually moved all the products, the incredible Car Pro products that were in here, and brought them into here for now. Now everything we're doing right now, again, we're still going through this revamp, so you're still gonna see stuff all over the place, but this is now our product room with the history wall as well. We also got this really cool barn door built by hand that takes us into our Ppf room and greater garage room, along with the Reader Rabbit, the man behind the camera. He's in here as well. So we still have this room as well, but as we go through the shop, we're revamping, we're kind of updating, moving some things around. Now that we've been in here officially for 2 years this week, actually, it was time to basically level up a little bit. So that's what we're doing. It was a year ago today, too, that we got our floors done. So we decided to, well, keep the floors like it, but one of the coolest vehicles we've ever had in our lives. Our good old boy, Mikey in the front. Millionaire Mikey is what I like to call him. Look at this beast that he bought right here. He's put this thing up 4 inches, I think. Put a PA system in it. It's the most ridiculous daily you'll ever see in your life. Put some Steelies on it. You can just kick the damn car if you want to. He doesn't care one bit. I'll let him do that, but this is his beautiful daily. And then we're basically moving and grooving in here. So this has become the full PPF side right now. We're gonna be taking some cabinets, moving it over there, opening this space up a little bit. And then as we go into the ceramic coating side as well, we're actually gonna be getting some new lifts too. So our buddy over at Metropolitan Detail is gonna be shipping us out some new lifts that we're gonna be having come in to really just bring them up even more. So this is basically the PPF side as well. I mean, the ceramic coating side as well. The details are going down. Everything's very similar in here. But when it comes to the shop as a whole, we're just gonna be adding a little bit. Now that we've been in here for 2 years, we kind of get the vibe of what's going on. So we're gonna be just mixing it up. Now with the mix up, I got something really cool to tell you. Remember how we broke down this wall 2 years ago and made this huge hole in here? Right, we got in this shape, or this space, and we were like, we need a drive through. We did that. Well, guess what we're doing? We're breaking down this wall. So we're actually expanding come May, June, right in that time frame. We're gonna be expanding through this wall now, and we're gonna be adding more. So we're gonna be adding window tint and vinyl wrapping. Both those are gonna be coming in-house full time, and that's all gonna be right next door. So we're gonna be having this same size space, but through that wall. Now we won't be able to drive cars through, but we're gonna be getting a roll-up door. That way we can go front and back. But instead of just having our Tint Tuesdays and doing vinyl wrap here and there, we're actually gonna be bringing it all in-house to make it all encompassing. So ceramic coating, paint protection film, vinyl wrapping, window tint, detailing, powder coating wheels, you name it, we can basically do it. All the customization side too on Greater Garage, that's all gonna be done here in-house, and that's what the expansion is gonna be through the door. Now with that expansion comes some more fun. And it's that time of year again that we announce tacos and tailpipes, which, let's do a revamp. We gotta show you the new taco truck we bought. It's been a secret, we haven't launched it. It looks like it's a piece of crap, but you gotta be a visionary. You gotta look at the end result, right? That's our goal. But tacos and tailpipes, our first one of the year is gonna be June 12th. So it's gonna be a very, very, very successful one, especially when we're talking about raising money. But it's gonna be June 12th, here again, 125 Industrial Drive. We're gonna shut down the industrial park. We're actually hiring a valet company. We're gonna be doing a whole separate video on this whole show to really talk about all the incredible people that are gonna be with us. Clear rum that you guys know that we give out. the Clear Rum. They're going to be setting up a booth as well. It's going to be a really fun one. It's a block party, so I think you can have a little sip of liquor. That's not a big deal. But that's all going to be June 12th. And then June 25th, instead of tacos and tailpipes, it's going to be Teslas and tacos. So it's going to be specific to Teslas because, as you could tell, we do so many damn Teslas. I mean, here's another full body that we just got dropped off for film that the boys are working on right now. We just do so many Teslas. It makes sense to do tacos and Teslas, or Teslas and tacos, however you want to view it. But that's going to be going on June 12th. All right, I know that anticipation's been killing you guys. It's been hurting me too. So I was looking for a mail truck. I always wanted a mail truck to go around and put a big taco on top of it and call it the Taco and Tailpipes, but I found something a little bit better. To be honest, I think she needs to go to Dr. Bunowitz, great plastic surgeon, great friend of ours in Doylestown now, and get a little facelift because she needs a little help. But look at that beautiful thing. Oh, feast your eyes on the Grumman. So this is an old school Grumman curb van that I found in New Jersey when I was looking at mail trucks. Well, here's one thing. I don't talk politics, but I'm gonna talk for a second. The government does not get rid of their mail trucks. They just keep fixing them. That is horrible. Just sell me one. That's all I'm asking for. Like if you ruined a frame on it, I'll fix it. You don't have to fix it. I'll take the expense on for the American people, for the future of this world, for the future of the US. Just sell me one, but I don't really need it anymore. So Biden, don't worry about it. But we did get the curb van. So this is basically what it is. The coolest part about this, it's got a really good body to it. That's why we bought it. But the coolest part is this front end. I mean, I think that's one of the coolest looking things. So it looks like a pig right now, but don't worry. Dave from DC Customs is gonna help us out. We're actually gonna be taking a Chevy 1500, actually like one of those vans back there. We're gonna be taking the whole chassis and drivetrain out of that, and we might even take the dash as well. When you come in here, look at I don't even need a step. It's perfect for a guy my height, so I can step right in. But we're gonna be taking all that and basically tearing out this whole inside. We're gonna try to keep some of the originality because I think it's really cool to take the 50s and 60s and bring them into what it is, or into this van. But we're gonna be basically pulling out and modernizing the chassis, which should fit right under here. We're gonna keep the body just the way it is, obviously fix up some things, polish this up, or we might make it white. Brett from Sketch My Ride also did a rendering for us. I was gonna put a big taco on top, but I don't really think it needs it. I think this thing is just cool to look at. And it's gonna be even cooler when it's finished. But this is the future Tacos and Tailpipes van coming to you in 2026. So it's gonna be a while, as you could tell, but hopefully not that long. But we're gonna get it done. We just need Dave to finish up his one fun project that he has at his shop. And once that's finished, this thing is gonna get rolled over or dragged over, one of the two. If anybody would like to give us some new tires, that'd be great. Because these obviously are far gone, but this is the new vision for it. You guys remember our old school bus? That's kind of where it all started. Out of that, well, Mom's Garage, and then school bus for mobile, and now we got a curbside. So that's all we got today. That's a shop update. That's going to be, half the building's going to be ours by, middle of the year. Hopefully by Tacos and Tailpipes, so we can launch it into that too. Tacos and Tailpipes June 12th. Revamp of the front end. Brett from Sketch My Ride doing a ton of stuff. You got anything else, Rabbit?
I think it's it. Tacos and Teslas. Lockett Tech videos.
Lockett Tech videos too. Here, come this way. So Lockett Tech videos. We've been doing a ton of Tesla videos with Lockett Tech, with Chris Lockett from Lockett Tech. So if you go on his YouTube channel, or Reader can put a link in this as well. The Lockett Tech videos are just, it's such a cool person to work with. He's just a really good guy, loves his Tesla, has an incredible following too. I mean, probably 90% of the Teslas that are coming into our shop are from his channel. So I want to give a big thanks out to him, but the only way that he can keep producing videos is to get likes and subscribes. Make sure you go and buy all his products too, so he can make a lot of money on it. We love doing videos with him, but at the end of the day, you gotta support what he does. Look at this. This is Reader all day, right? This is just speaking to the 90s. So this is our new Sea-Doo. We have no plans for this under any means. I just thought it was really cool. Our buddy John from J&J Automotive, or Truck Repair, he basically called and said, I got this cool jet ski, do you want to buy it? And I said, I don't care, just send it over. And this is what I got, so it's pretty cool. But I think Reed with his Pit Vipers, we're gonna have to do a video of him air right in the face, Pit Vipers on, mullet, and porn stash just rolling through. That's what this thing screams of. So that's all we got for you guys. I hope all is well. Hope you guys are having an awesome start to the year. We're happy too. Screw the winter tires. Summer tires are on. Cars are coming out. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. I don't care anymore. So we're rolling through. It's a great time of year. But I just want to say thanks to all you guys. Thanks for always following. Thanks for the likes and subscribes. And as always, keep shining. Oh, she's so hot. That ain't no pig right there.
Oh yeah.